Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 14 September 2025. 13 September 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 15, number 31 and number 35. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number first number 33, number 36, number 16, number 5, number 23, booster number 42. UK 49's tea time prediction tea time prediction first number 18, number 9, number 35, number 24, number 44, booster number 28. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join now UK 49 lunchtime